It's Saturday. Emily is working at the clothing shop in Tokyo. Saturday is always the busiest day. Customers come in and out all afternoon. By 3 o'clock, the front tables are a mess. Shirts are in the wrong sections. At 5 o'clock, the last customer pays and walks out. Emily watches her leave. She goes to the front door and locks it. She turns the sign from open to closed. The store is quiet now. No voices, no footsteps, only music. Emily starts to fold the shirts on the front tables. Some are from the wrong section. She puts those back first. Then she works through each section the same way. She has done this many times now. She has worked here for 8 months. The closing routine feels easy. When she first started, closing took a long time. Now she is done in 40 minutes. She gets to the jacket rack near the back wall. One hanger is facing the wrong way. She fixes it without stopping. The store is closed and locked. Nobody will come in tonight, but she fixes it anyway. She checks the fitting rooms one by one. Some customers leave hangers on the hooks inside. She collects the hangers and puts them back on the rack. Then she turns off the fitting room lights. She goes to the register. She counts the cash for the day and writes the total in the log. Her manager finished work and left about an hour ago. Emily is the last person in the store. She gets her bag from the back room. She puts on her coat. She walks through the store one last time. She turns off the light as she goes. The back section goes dark first, then the middle, then the front. She turns off the last light near the door. The only light left is the window display. The store looks different in the dark, quieter, and a little bigger. She steps out into the mall corridor. Most of the other shops are already closed. She locks the door from outside. She checks the handle once. A few people are still walking through the mall. She joins them and heads for the exit. Her feet are tired, but it is a good kind of tired. Tomorrow is her day off. She is already looking forward to it.